She used to tell you everything. Now she barely talks to you at all. Conversations feel cold, distant, almost like talking to a stranger. You can feel the emotional wall between you growing thicker every day, and you're desperate to break through. If you want to reconnect with the woman you married, I'm going to show you exactly what to do tonight that can change everything. Here's exactly what you're going to do tonight. After dinner, after the kids are settled, you're going to create what I call a no-pressure reconnection moment. This isn't about having a big relationship talk or demanding answers. It's about taking one small but powerful step back toward the intimacy you used to share. The mistake most husbands make is trying to force these conversations back to life. You ask direct questions, demand to know what's wrong, or get frustrated with her short answers. But pressure is exactly what drove her away in the first place. Tonight, you're going to do the opposite. Here's your actionable approach. Create what I call a no-pressure connection moment. After dinner, after the kids are settled, put away all distractions. Sit near her, not across from her, and say something like this. I miss our deeper conversations. I'm not looking for anything heavy tonight, but I'd love to just be present with you for a few minutes. No phones, no agenda, just us. Then here's the crucial part. Wait for her response without expecting anything specific. She might be surprised, suspicious, or even resistant at first. That's normal. Don't take it personally. If she seems open, ask one gentle question. What's been the best part of your week so far? Notice this isn't what's wrong or why don't we talk anymore. It's positive and open-ended. Whatever she shares, resist every instinct to fix, advise, or relate it back to your own experience. Instead, practice what I call curiosity listening. Ask follow-up questions that show genuine interest. What made that moment special? Or, how did that feel? Your goal isn't to solve anything. Your goal is to show that her inner world fascinates you. If she gives short answers or seems guarded, don't push. Simply say, "Thanks for sharing that with me. I love hearing your thoughts." Then just be present. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is prove you can sit with her without needing to fill the silence or change the subject. Here's why this works. You're demonstrating 3 things she needs to feel safe. Opening up again. First, you're showing you can be fully present without distraction. Second, you're proving you can listen without immediately trying to fix or change her experience. Third, you're removing all pressure and timeline expectations. Don't expect a breakthrough on night 1. Think of this as making a small deposit in the emotional bank account. Consistency matters more than intensity. Do this a few times a week. Show up without agenda. Listen without solving. Be present without pressure. Over time, she'll start to remember what it felt like when vulnerability was safe with you. She'll begin testing the waters with slightly deeper shares. When she does, celebrate internally, but keep your response calm and curious. The moment you get excited and try to turn it into a big talk, you might spook her back into her shell. One final insight. Many wives stop opening up because they feel like they're competing with phones, work stress, or mental distractions for their husband's attention. Tonight, when you sit with her, make sure she knows she has all of you. That rare gift of full presence often melts walls that weeks of talking couldn't break through. Comment below and let me know what you are currently struggling with in your communications with your wife. Click the link in the first comment or check my bio to discover an ebook that can help improve your communication with your wife.